Vanakkam. Welcome back to this series of sessions where we learn SAP through quiz in just 2 minutes. In the last sessions, I was giving the quiz in one session, the answer was explained in the next session. From this session onwards, answers will be explained in the same session, so you don't need to wait for the next session. Hope this will be useful for many of you. So the last question was whether we can change the industry sector of existing metal at any time as we wish. Answer is no. Hope many of you have been answered correctly. What is the learning here? The industry sector as a control function in SAP. When you create metal master, industry sector is mandatory, which is defined. It used to define the screens to be displayed and in which order, and the fields to be displayed on which screen. An industry sector which is assigned to a metal cannot be changed later. Some examples of industry sectors are P in pharmaceutical, C chemical, M mechanical, A plant engineering and construction. Based on need, new industry sector can be configured, but it is suggested to use the standard industry sectors given by SAP. Next quiz is for metal type FERT finished goods. Which of the following view is not mandatory? MRP view, sales view, purchasing view, or costing view? So what do we learn from this quiz? It is metal type. So materials with the same or similar characteristics are assigned to metal type. The general metal types are ROH, raw materials, HALB, semi-finished products, FERT, finished products, UNBW, non-valuated materials. Material types used to control what is a type of number assignment, what number range interval can be given, screens to display in which order, department specific data, procurement type allowed, inventory quantity and value update. In addition to metal type provided, we may configure new metal type as based on the business need. Some regularly used material types are ERSA, spare parts. These are assigned to metals used as the spares for internal maintenance. Normally it is not sold, so sales view is not required for these items. If the spare is sold, then material type HAWA trading goods can be used. FERT finished goods. These are the materials produced by raw materials and semi-finished products. Normally finished products are not purchased from outside, so there is no need of having a purchasing view, but they are sold, sales view has to be maintained. And also we need to have accounting view for this, and also the planning views MRP 1, 2, 3. FHMI are the production resource tools material type, where the PRTs are purchased for production and maintenance, like fixer, tools, calibration, etc. They are not part of inventory, so they are not updated with quantity only, not and also the value. HALB is the semi-finished products, where the intermediate products are purchased or produced from raw materials, and components are used to produce these finished products. These metals may have purchasing, work scheduling, and sales views also. HAW trading goods, these are metal purchased and sold. Normally, internal production is not carried out for these items. There is no need of work scheduling view for these items. ROH, raw materials, these are the purchased items used in production. Normally, these are not sold. If at all it has to be sold, it is better to use metal type HAWA trading goods. UNBW, non-value-added items, non-value-added materials. Material is maintained at a quantity, not by value. Some examples are like consumables, which are used in the machine or production, like which we want to have in stock for planning or something, but they are not part of the inventory. VERP, packaging materials. Materials used in packaging. They are used to identify the right packing metal during delivery process. Quantity and value may be updated as these are considered as part of inventory in some organizations. So coming back to our answers, so what is the answer for this view which is not mandatory is the purchasing view for finished product, because generally it is produced and sold, it is not purchased generally. If required, we can have the purchasing view, but it is not generally followed purchasing view. So the purpose of these sessions is to share the knowledge. If there is any problem or any wrong explanations, please explain me or please inform me in my email satya@vgroven.com. And please suggest your friends and colleagues to subscribe to our channel. From next session onwards, we will be giving the question and answer in the same session. So the time will be restricted to 2 minutes. And visit our website www.vgrowin.com to know more of our services. For any training and consulting needs, you may contact me in the details given there. Thank you all. See you in the next session. Bye for now.